connected up to the battery. Can't see in there, it's a bit dark, but it's connected up, runs round. I've been a fan since day one. The bass is mad. Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. I am Matt and this is Twigs T4. And I wasn't actually going to film any of this today, but it turns out it might be helpful for a few of you. Just trying to work out how to fit the wire from the battery into the cabin, and I've actually found a cool little place for it to go through. So it's just a quick video. So I've already gone ahead and I've actually started feeding it through. Right, so let's go to the van and have a look. This is where I'm feeding it down through, where the bonnet release cable comes through. So I just put my cable through there. I pulled the grommet out to do it. Pulled the wire through. I opened it up first with a screwdriver. Used my little twinkle picker. Stabbed it in the end here. I don't know if that's going to pick it up, but I put a tiny little stab into it. Stabbed it in, pushed it through, but I also used some lube. I can push this through there and then I'll go onto the inside and then pull it through, and then I'll come back out here, we'll put the grommet back in, and that'll be it, jobs are good. But I've got to go because this is the one that came out of the Vectra. I didn't realise that there's no fuse in here. So I'm gonna have a little walk down to Halfords. They've got some fuses in there. I'm just gonna grab a 40 amp fuse. That should be plenty because it's only a 400 watt amp. So the maths for that is 400 watts times your 12 volts, and that will give you what amp you need a fuse. So for me it's a 33 amp fuse, but yeah, the smallest they do is a 40, so we'll get 40 fuse, whack that in, and that should be good enough.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings.
Right, so a quick update on what I've done. It runs through. I've removed a little nut there, and the power cable runs in behind here. Well, it actually cuts down through here actually. And then I just released the step, screw there, popped it up. It's now fed underneath the carpet. Comes out through there, and then actually goes in round underneath all this bit, and then comes out along there and up to here, and it's long enough. When I disconnect the sub, because you'll see in a minute, that can hang there when the sub's not in there. Right, all I've got to do now, the stereo's got to come out, got to feed a remote wire and the what are they, phono cables. Yeah, well, bless you. Yeah, I've got to try and work out. I think what I'll do is I might actually run the cables the same route down, actually, thinking about it. for them all to come out here. I reckon that's what I'm going to do. I'll come back to you in a minute when I know what I'm doing, because I've got to run, yeah, the remote cable and that, got to run through. Right. Oh, and then I've got to figure out where I'm going to earth it. Ah. Bless you again. There's another earth. Could earth it there. Could probably earth it to the base of the seat. Yeah, we'll see. I'll get back to you in a minute. Bless you. So that's it, it's all connected up. It's connected up to the battery. Can't see in there, it's a bit dark, but it's connected up, runs round, up through there, down through there. And then we showed you, come up through there, comes down here, runs along under the step, comes out underneath the carpet. I've put the earth to the seat base, one of the seat base bolts. And this is what I was saying about quick release. So I can pull that out, unplug these, and it's a quick release sub. Happy days. That way I can swap it over between this and the Vectra. Yeah, I've put the fuse in there now. So I guess we'll see if it fires up, eh? Yeah, I'm just having a little play around with it. The sub is going, but I've just been trying to set it all up and stuff, as you do. What's all this about? Top menu? Oh, I don't care about any of that. Right, let's have a look. Let's just hit one of these. Exclusive rap battles. What? Go down then, enter. There we go. You can tell I've never used this before as a DVD player.
I will murder this man. He the type to lose a fight with a dice. They don't laugh because you whack, they laugh.
Let's hope I don't get copyright for this.
Freestyle rap battles. Opponents using words.
Oh, I thought it was actually I thought it was going to be a proper rap battle. And it's not, is it? What else are they saying? Oh, music video. Yeah, let's do that one. Oh, I'm going to get copyrighted, ain't I? Eminem, please don't copyright me. I've been a fan since day one. The bass is mad. I mean, that's all right because it's DVD. That's not too bad for DVD. But when I just had my Spotify playing, rah, the bass is mad, absolutely mad. So I'm well chuffed with that. Happy days. The only thing I've got to do is that needs moving, because this was all taken out of my Passat, my taxi, and that's how it was all set up. So I need to relocate the quick release on it so that it doesn't get knocked. Ideally I'd like to turn it onto its side, but if I turn it onto the base down there, the amp's going to be at the top, and you're not going to be able to sit down anywhere. So I might have to move everything around, relocate the amp on this side. I don't know, maybe, we'll see. But for now, happy days. Yeah, I could have relocated it over there, but the sub is way too big. It won't fit underneath the rock and roll bed. I don't want to make another box. I made this box back in 1998, I think it was. I made this box. Also the same year I bought the sub. Yeah, it's age period, isn't it? It's age correct for the age of the van and the sub. Happy days. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like me, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, give it a thumbs up. Everything you do, just give it a thumbs up. So I don't know what I'll be doing next time. I have no idea. I only wanted to put the sub in. Just a little bit of bass, isn't it, when we go to bug jam, because I want to be jamming out, and without no tunes it's a bit boring. We're going to leave it here. We'll wrap it up for now, and hopefully one day in the future we'll get some more banging tunes in here. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.